Alright guys, so I am at Discount Tire, just brought my truck in. As you guys know, or you might know, I've had this truck for a number of years, and I'll leave a link down below to one of the first videos that I did for installing an alarm system. But recently I needed to get some new tires, and I've been putting it off for a while now, and I thought, you know what, maybe I can get through another winter or so and then be able to get them put on. But yesterday something very scary happened. Here in Illinois we've had a lot of snow, probably about like 8 inches of snow over the last few days, and it's been brutally cold as well. So yesterday I was traveling on the highway going about 60 miles per hour, and all of a sudden the car basically lost control. And before me even telling you any more details, I'll go ahead and play that video now so you guys can see from my dash cam. So as you guys had seen, it basically the car had wiped out, and luckily there was no one in front of me, no one behind me, so nothing happened in regards to hitting anything, no signs, no road, you know, the median or anything like that. So I think it was an extremely close call, and so I guess better safe than sorry. So here I am. So my tire was a Goodyear tire. It had 50,000. It rated 50,000 miles, and I had put about 48,000 miles. So it gave me the life of the tire itself. But check out this chart. Basically, this is where I was. So I guess like around here is what they recommend getting it changed, and mine was right at 332 of an inch. So with new ones, I will be in the green and much safer to drive in this crazy weather and the amount of snow. I'll give you guys a quick preview here. Alright, so I am all done with the car. Oh, this is really blown out. All set to go. The tires are set. Brand new tires. Hopefully you can stick on the road now, huh? Alright, so now that we're done with the tires from Discount Tire, I'm gonna go in for a quick car wash, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head home. Alright, welcome back. Well, actually I should say I'm back home, and I apologize, I gotta use the window trick here to get the proper lighting where I'm at right now. So I thought, since I was talking about the car today, I thought I'd refer back to my original video that I posted like I think 7 years ago or so. I can't believe that much time's passed. It's absolutely ridiculous. But on that video I talked about how I had the Viper Smart Start system installed, as well as the alarm system installed, and I still have that on my car to date, and it's going really well. I just want to give you guys a quick update on that. I absolutely still love the feature of being able to start your car from the phone, where, you know, if you're too far away from the remote access. So that really comes in handy, and of course that feedback to if the alarm triggers, it'll alert you on your phone. So if you have not checked out that video, please go check it out. I'm going on to, again, 7-8 years strong. Haven't had any issues. Still have the same sensor on it, as far as a tilt sensor, glass break sensor. There's one other one I had. Which one was it? What was it? Glass break, tilt. Oh, battery backup. Yes, the battery backup's on there as well. And then of course alarm and the Viper Smart Start. So go check out that video and let me know what you guys think for that system, as well as what I'm using today to record. The links will be in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I appreciate you guys checking out my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Hopefully for those of you that are in the Illinois area, or in general wherever you are, if it's cold, snowing, be extra cautious driving, going out, things like that. Here in Illinois for the next 2 days, it's going to be wind chill factor below negative, I think it's supposed to be negative 50 or negative 40. So it's going to be extremely cold. So if you're from the Illinois area, please be safe and bundle up when you go out. And again, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.